Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we will understand how to set up Webhook inside viral loops. So Webhook acts as a bridge to connect applications and it helps to deliver the data to other applications as an event happens. Viral Loops is a viral and referral marketing platform. So in this video, I'm going to tell you step by step that how you can set up a webhook inside Viral Loops and send the data to other applications as an event will take place. So now to begin with the setup, I will go to my trigger window and over here, I'm going to search for Viral Loops as my trigger application and here it is. And the trigger event will be new participant. So this trigger will start working whenever a new participant will be added to my campaign. That means now whenever a new participant will be created in my Viral Loops account, then automatically the details of that participant should be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So from this trigger event drop down, you can select any other trigger event as well. So I'm going to select new participant as my trigger event. So as I did that, over here you can see that a webhook URL is given and along with that a help desk is given. So read this help desk given below carefully because this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect your Viral Loops account with Pabbly Connect. So now to begin with the process, I'm going to take you to my Viral Loops account. So this here is my Viral Loops account and over here under active campaigns, you can see that I've created this campaign by the name of Pab integration. So I'm just going to click on edit. And over here is the campaign name. So I will go to the bottom and now I'm going to click on integrations. So here under integrations, I will scroll down and I will go to Webhook because by using a Webhook, we are setting up a connection between Pabbly Connect and Viral Loops. So here it says send participant data to a webhook when they join your campaign. So it says when someone joins your campaign, you can send their submitted data to a webhook. So as we have got the webhook URL in Pabbly Connect and by using that, we are going to build a connection between Viral Loops and Pabbly Connect. So firstly, I'm going to enable this endpoint and over here in endpoint for participation event, I need to mention the webhook URL. So from Pabbly Connect, I'm just going to copy it and over here, I'm going to paste it. So once I've mentioned the webhook URL, now I'm going to send a test request. So here that means we have successfully set up a webhook inside Viral Loops and the test response has been sent to Pabbly Connect. So taking you to Pabbly Connect and yes, over here you can see that we have received the test response. You can see the details like last name, first name, email along with some other details. So as I've got the test response, so now I'm going to click on recapture the webhook response in order to get an actual response over here. So I'm going to take you to my Viral Loops account once again. And as we have successfully set up the webhook inside Viral Loops, so I'm just going to click on save. And over here, we have successfully saved it. So here in Pabbly Connect, you can see that it is waiting for webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So I've created a form for the new participant. So I'm going to take you to the form. So this here is the form for the participants. So over here I filled in the details of first name, last name, phone number and the email. So now I'm going to click on accept invite. So it says you accepted the invite. That means I've successfully submitted this form and now I'm going to take you to Pabbly Connect to show you that the response of this form submission would have been captured. So here in Pabbly Connect, we have received the response. So over here, you can see the referral code. You can see the last name, first name, email, user created date and time. Here's the phone number and the event type is of participation. So that means we have successfully got the details of the form submission which I've just made. So here are the details of the new participant. So now I'm going to take you back to Viral Loops as well to show you that a participant has been created. So I will go to dashboard. And I'm just going to scroll down and over here you can see that here is this participant that has been created. You can see the first name, last name, email, you can see the referral code as well and this here is the mobile number. That means a participant has been successfully created in Viral Loops and the details of that participant is captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So we have successfully set up a webhook inside Viral Loops. That means now whenever a new participant will be created, then automatically the details of that participant will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So just by going on this action window, you can select any application to send the data. So as I've got the details and I've successfully set up the webhook inside Viral Loops. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.